Welcome back to the show. What's your favorite golf course in Japan?
Favorite course in Japan? Top of my head, maybe Naruo.
Naruo? How many courses in Japan have you visited?
Yes. Enough to consider Naruo my favorite. Biggest impression on me. To me, it feels the most Japanese of all the courses. Native grasses, pretty bunkering, nice pine trees, good setting, comfortable walk, interesting features, nice old clubhouse. Yeah, the whole package.
How many countries have you done work in? How many continents?
America, Canada, France, England, China, Japan.
So it's three continents?
Maybe six countries. 3 continents.
What to you is there something that's distinctive about golf in Japan? If we think about golf course design or the golf experience in Japan?
Something distinctive that sets it apart from other courses around the world. Some of it could be maintenance, presentation. I like the idea of some places treating their course like a garden almost. That's a little different. Distinctively Japanese. I think the pine trees and the cherry trees, the flora, and the grass. The Korai fairways are beautiful if done right, and the Korai greens like here at Keya.
Do you have any involvement with like grassing lines? Do you think about grassing lines, like whether this should be rough or fairway?
Yeah, I think grassing lines very important, especially in Japan.
So this mound over here, when I first came here in 2012, that was rough. What do you think? Should it still be rough?
No, this is one of my favorite features on any course in Japan. This mound.
This particular mound.
Yes, this tight mound. Sometimes I think that's all a golf hole needs.
Is a distinctive feature or a mound?
Distinctive feature, which could be a nice mound, hiding some pin positions.
Go walk up on that and we'll show everybody how tall that is.
I think this is very neat, as opposed to building 3 bunkers around the green. You could do something like this in the right place. It's definitely up there, but it's different. It's interesting. It's easy maintenance. You don't really see these around courses in Japan. Something like this. I'm glad they've kept it. Some guys, some shapers or architects would probably want to knock it down. To me, it's perfect. It's quirky, unusual. Add some interest from the tee where the pin is, right or left.
Do you prefer short grass or long grass?
Something like this, I think, up by the green, short grass. I think if you have a mound maybe back in the fairway, something substantial, you could probably keep it in the rough.
Yeah, because you do I've seen the bunkers that you build, certainly in some other countries, and the back side of them may have some heather or some taller grass, places where you might lose a golf ball. So it's not like you're totally opposed to places where you're not going to be able to easily play or even find the ball.
Yeah, I think around the green, short grass works. Whether a player can roll one over this thing onto the green. The other things I sometimes think about is a big mound covered in rough. Older players trying to get up it and walk and play, it could be a little difficult. I'm glad they've kept this. I like this thing. Yeah.
Grass lines in the fairways. In the winter, you notice it more than in the summer.
Yeah, especially in Japan when the fairways go dormant, if they paint them green, which is fine. Customers like that. you can get on a tee box sometimes, and especially when the Shiba's dormant and brown and the fairway's painted green, you can start noticing some squiggly lines or fairway lines that are off or pointing in the odd direction. It's a good time to check on grass lines. Wintertime, after a paint job.